our store is created. If you want to change something, click on store setting. You can change the store information from here. Next option is categories. Click on it to add categories on your store. Click on add category button. Write the category name. Click on save button. Category added. Now click on attributes to add attributes in products. So before adding a product, we have to add attribute first. Package. Click on save. Now click on products. Click on add product. Select the category first, attribute, product name, original price. If you want to give some discount, then you can offer. Okay, here is the set price variation of attributes value of package. Okay, so my personal plan is $10, so I write here 0. Business is 30 and 10 plus 20 30. Agency is 199, then 189 plus 10. Product description. After adding the product description, write the purchase note. Now add the thumbnail. Feature image. If you selling the physical product, then write the item in stock. If you want to show display stock, turn it yes. Prevent purchase if out of stock. Status online taxable, yes or no. Click on save button. Okay, the first product is added here. Go to action, click on I button if you want to see the product. Here you can see package, personal $10, nothing change. Business 30, agency 199. On detail, you can check the detail of the product. Note, test it before purchase. Now go back to store. The next option is coupon. If you want to add coupon, click on it and then click on add coupon. Select the store. If you have multiple store will be visible here. If you have more than one store, product, smart bot maker, coupon type, percentage, fixed card and fixed product. I turn on the percentage, coupon code 10, coupon amount 10, expiry date max users limit, status active, free shipping, enable or not. Click on save. Now I am going to add more product in the store. Now I created the another products. Next is copy URL. Here you can copy the URL of all product, categories and store. Here you can find the store page, store URL, categories. On the next tab you can find the order URL, products URL. You can copy and check in new tab. It's for testing. You can't share this URL to any of your customer and anywhere. You have to use this URL in WebView, in Messenger bot. I show you how to use. Please note, only use this URL in Messenger bot. Okay, now I show you how to add store in Messenger. Click on Messenger bot. Click on action button in bot setting. Select the page. I'm going to create the bot and set up e-commerce store from the scratch. Click on action button setting, change setting. Click on get started template. Select reply type. You can use quick reply and text with the button. I'm using quick reply. Write the description. You can choose smiley from here. Okay, write the button text. Button text store, button type postback ID. Click on add. Now I'm showing here products. So when user click on button, this button, trending services, then all product will be show here. Post back ID trending services, reply type I choose cursor. First upload the image, select the image, in image click destination link, keep it blank, because if you provide a different URL then it will not work, because we are using web view. Okay, give the title, name of the product, write the subtitle, button text buy now, button type only choose web view. I am choosing here web view. Please note, only choose web view. Now we need web URL. Go to your store. Now click on copy URL. Here you can see all the URL of product, store and order. Click on product URL. Now we are using product name Smart Board Maker. Copy this link. Now paste it here. Now add more template. If you want to add more button, then click on it and okay, button text store. Again we select web view full, web view URL, store URL, this is store, copy it and paste it. Now select we are add one more template, upload the image, leave blank destination link, write the title, button text, web view full, write the URL, go to your store, product URL, copy it and paste it. Add one more button, store, web view full and add the URL. Now I am adding one more template, upload the image, select the picture, title, subtitle, write the subtitle, button text buy now, go to your store, copy this URL, product URL, select the web view full. Now add one more button, store, again select web view full and copy the store URL. Now click on submit to save it. Close and refresh list. Now update it. Now we are going to test the store on page. Okay, I log in from my different account. On the page here you can see, click on get started. Please note the get started, this button only show to new user. Okay, so if you want to see this get started button again, then you have to delete the conversation, and then you can see this get started button. Now click on it. Services offer, trending services, click on it. Here you can see the products by no store. The first one is smart board maker, social media management, and UAutoTuber. So first we click on buy now. The web view is opening. Here you can see the product. You want to add more. First we have to choose the option package, personal, business, agency. You can see the changing the price. Okay, now we have to add. We added 2 product. You can see detail, note. Now go to visit cart to complete this purchase. If we have any coupon, okay, now we add a coupon. The price is $398. No, $358. Now save and proceed for checkout. We have to add some more detail in it. Okay, add the detail. Click on copy billing address. Now save and proceed checkout. Okay, here is the option pay with PayPal, Stripe, cash on delivery, manual payment. If you click on it, it will show the bank detail. I temporarily enable cash on delivery to showing you how the checkout process work. Now click on cash on delivery. Okay, your order has been placed successfully and is being reviewed. You can see your order status from this page. Order 1, status is pending. Okay, now close it, and in the message box you can see the confirmation message. You can see order history and status here. Click on my order. It's showing pending. You can download the invoice here. Okay, now go to admin panel of this store. We are on store panel. Here you can see total order, checkout order, total earning, cart activity, and top product. So now go to order tab. Here you can see subscriber ID, status, coupon, amount, currency, invoice, transaction ID, method, manual payment, order at, paid at. Okay, now we change the status from and submit it. Okay, so we received a new notification. Update to approved done. Thanks you. Now you can check again on my order button. Now it's approved. Check note. Close it, and we change status again from approved to delivered. Click on submit. Again we receive a new notification. Delivered. You can check order status from here. Okay. Now go to store dashboard again. Okay, you can see checkout order on total earning, and you can see the graph also. And in the last, one more thing, again, always use web view if you are creating a product. Thanks for watching this video.